Hi everyone, it's Pam Hunter from Pam's Rooted in Green. I got a couple plants today, so let's unbox them. Ooh, Adasonii. It looks a little stressed. The leaves aren't very glossy. Let's see what's the roots doing. Let's see. Oh, well, they said they were rooted. They're rooted, just barely. I think I'll put these in some water. Let them, distilled water. Let them grow more roots. Okay. Let's see what's in this one. SDA 107. I think it's an Alocasia. Do that later. Ooh, it's an Alocasia without a name. This will go into stratum. It's a tissue culture. Sorry for the sniffing, but I have allergies. Something in North Dakota is blooming and it doesn't like me. This is a silver dragon aurea. And this is a silver dragon. So this will go into fluval. It's cute. Okay, let's take off this. Look at that little pot. Soil here. Kind of dry. It's got roots. Oh, wait a minute. That looks like a tiny corm. Maybe it's not tissue culture. Sometimes they do the tissue culture and they put the little sprouts in these tiny little pots. And usually with tissue culture, it's like cut at the bottom and there's no corm and the roots are coming out of the stem area. This looks like it was started from a small corm. Okay, I'm gonna go rinse it off. I'm going to put it in this small pot with Fluval. Okay. Got the wick in. Too much. Okay, and now some distilled water. I always use distilled water on my new plants, baby plants, tissue culture or not, because I just want it to be okay. Not having, I use Pond Start, but my water still has minerals. That should do it for that plant. Set that aside. I've got my handy dandy jelly jar. I'm gonna go rinse these. All rinsed. Okay, some more distilled water. These roots are good. Nothing's mushy. That one, yeah. One rotten one. Okay, fill her up. I'm only putting, can't really see in this jar, but about a ½ inch just to cover the cutting bottoms and the roots. And now it will go in my shelf where it will happily root under Sancy Grow Lights. So we'll keep an eye on it and update you when something happens. These are the Dragon's Breath corms I planted a couple weeks ago. They're doing well. This one has a new leaf. So cute. And this one is sprouting a leaf. And these are from corms from my own Dragon's Breath. which, where is it? Here, I accidentally touched it with a grow light, and it's got 2 leaves, although this leaf here is on its way out. You can see that. It gives me corns, and it's so tiny. I'm really excited about that. When they grow up, they'll be in my Etsy shop at PamsRootedInGreen. Hope to see you there. Bye-bye.